Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back with another video. And today I'm gonna talk about how Call of Duty and making money online on internet business are kind of the same thing. So I got a new Call of Duty game and been playing it for a while, and I'm just thinking to myself, if you ever played Call of Duty or any kind of shooting game, rather, if you played the game type Domination, where there's three, circles or territories you must capture and hold. The longer you hold it, the more points you get. After a certain amount of time, you win. So with domination or capture the flag, you capture the opponent's flag, you get 1 point. The more flags you capture, you win the game. Or team deathmatch, the more kills you get, the better chances are you winning. So what does it got to do with online marketing? So with Call of Duty, I was playing Call of Duty for a long time one night. I mean, hours, and we won almost every game. We won like 8 straight games. And the reason we won hands down, is because we was holding all the flags and territories pretty much the whole time. And then the one game that we lost, we couldn't hold it. We were doing different things. We stopped doing what we was doing for us to win. We were doing different things, and we lost. Now, how does that apply to the internet business? And in Call of Duty, the longer you hold a territory for a while, the more points you get. So the same apply with this. Now, the more you stay in online marketing, and the more you blog, the more you place ads, the more you make YouTube videos, the higher the chance you'll win. That's how I look at it. That's how I look at it. The longer I do it, the longer you do it, the better chance you are into making it. The more YouTube videos you do, the more blog posts you write, the more ads you buy, the more traffic you get. We already know that if you get way more traffic, you'll probably make more money. So you have to start making traffic. So that's the thing I took from Call of Duty. We were winning all them games in a row. I was capturing flags and getting kills, and then another thing I noticed, the more I played the game, when I first got the game, I wasn't good at it. I was down like left and right. But after a while, I kept playing the game. I got a little better. Instead of going 8-15, I went 15-8. Instead of going 10-20, I was going 20-10. 20 deaths and 20 kills, 10 deaths. Or the 8-15 is 8 kills and 15 deaths. We always want your kills more than your deaths. So the more I play the game, the more I learn the maps, the more I learn the weapons, the more I learn the techniques and the gadgets, the better I was getting. So that applies to online marketing too. So the longer you do this business, the longer you blog, the longer you make YouTube videos, the longer you do it, the better you'll be. That's the truth. I experienced that with everything you do in life. The more you do it, the better you'll be. Point blank, period. The first time you're doing it, it'll be a disaster. Your first ebook you write is not going to be the same as the 5th ebook you write, because by that time, you go learn to do things different. So what Call of Duty taught me was, one, I sucked at the game. I'm talking about I couldn't kill nobody. I didn't know nothing word. I didn't know the maps. I was a deer in headlights. Now that I've done it over and over and over again, I gotten better. I know what to expect. And now that our score has gone up because we continue to play the game and we done the objective, we kept on getting a higher score. So that apply that to online business. The more you do it, the better you'll be, one. And two is, the more that you do it, the more you do it, the more blog posts you write, the more YouTube videos you do, the more ads you place or social media or whatever, the more traffic you can get to an offer, the better chance you make a sale. That's it. It's simple as that. It's simple as that. That's that simple. And that's why I've been blogging way more and doing way more YouTube videos, way more. Increase it by 20 times, do way more that I've been doing. Because we all got to start from zero. We all got to start from somewhere. It's like you play a brand new video game, you die left and right. You don't know what to do, but the longer you play it, the better you'll be. Okay, so that's my tip for the day. One of my favorite game types was King of the Hill. Again, that was a Halo. King of the Hill, there's one hill, one section of the map, there's a big ring or circle. The longer you be in the circle, the more points you get. That's King of the Hill. And to make it online in a business, to make it online and in a business, you gotta be the king of the hill. You have to stay in that marketing. You have to do in that marketing. You have to stay in it and watch the YouTube videos go up, watch your views go up, watch your traffic go up. And that's you being king of the circle. The more views you get in your channel, the more blog posts you write and get more views. Because when you start writing blog posts, you're not gonna get no traffic for a long time. But the more blog posts you write, you start to see a little bit of traffic. That's you being the king of the hill. That's what you do have to do. You have to stay in that hill, and we all start from zero. So when the game starts, it's 0-0. So once you enter the hill and you're by yourself, the points are going up. 1, 2, 3, it's low. But after a while, over time, it goes to 50, then 60 and 70. I apply those principles into online business, which is kind of silly in a way. A video game can teach you about life, but that's in anything we do. If we do something for a long period of time and stick with it through the growing pains and the good and the bad, we'll come out on top. We'll come out a better person, you know what I'm saying? So I decided to focus on my online business and doing more blogging. Okay, so that's the end of the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me out. Thumbs up, thumbs down. And do you play Call of Duty? What's your favorite game type? Can you relate to what I'm saying? It just hit me all of a sudden. When we won 8 games in a row and we lost that one, why did we lose? And the reason we lost because we were so focused on killing, getting kills versus completing the objective was staying in the circle. We didn't stay in the circle. We didn't cap the circle, so we lost the game. The people, those guys that we lost against wasn't that good. But the simple fact that they did the objective, they stayed in the circle longer than we did, we lost. You can apply that to online marketing as well. You could be really good at something, but don't do it. And then some people who's not good at something, and if they keep doing it, they see success. The same thing with Call of Duty. These guys won't get in, kill them left and right, but was not capturing the circle. We weren't doing the objective. You know what I'm saying? So they was doing the objective more killing us, and they won the match. They won the match by 2 points because we decided to turn the flip and get some captures around the A and B. We started to get A and B, but it was too late. So you can apply that as well. You don't got to be the best at something. You don't have to be the absolute best at blogging or doing YouTube videos. This video now ain't the best video, but if you do it, if you keep on doing it, you'll be successful. You keep on pushing. You keep on making the video. You'll be successful. And anything you do, online marketing, offline, or anything you do in life, you do it. One more quick story. I love bowling. One quick story, I'm gonna go. I love bowling. I've been bowling for the past 4 to 5 years. When I first started, I was not good at all. I was averaging maybe 120, 130. I was horrible. Didn't know how to hook the ball. Didn't know how to do anything. 4 years later, that's a long time. 4 years later, I average probably 190, almost 200. Average that, and I get that with ease. How to average 200? Now if I go bowling with somebody who don't bowl like that, they think I'm a pro. I'm getting all these strikes, but I'm not really a pro. I'm just an average bowler, but I can average a 190, 200 every game. And how did I do that? Well, it's because I constantly bowl. I bowled all the time. I stayed in the circle. I kept continuing to bowl. The more I did it, the better I got. I wasn't really good at it. I'm the most athletic guy in the world, but I kept doing it. The same thing I do in life. So that's the end of the video. This time for That'sKing.com. Thanks for watching.